Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. In this video, we will discuss how to make custom reports in NetSuite. Simply navigate to Reports and click Report Overview. You will be redirected to a list of reports that you can customize. For this demo, I will customize an open purchase order report. Click the Customize link next to the report. The Report Builder page lets you add columns, apply filters, and make modifications to the report. For this demo, let's say I want to include the subsidiary and item in the purchase orders. Click on the subsidiary name. Let's then find the item field. Click the item name field. Enter the name for the report. Click Save or Preview button. You can see in the report that subsidiary and item, along with other fields, are now displayed. You can also set or modify the date and subsidiary for the report. Now, let's make some additional changes to the report. Let's say I want the item name to appear as Item Test. Simply update it under the column label. To add more filters, simply navigate to the Filter tab. You can use this tab to modify existing filters in the report or add new filter fields as needed. For this demo, I'll change the subsidiary to a different one using this page. This subsidiary doesn't have any purchase order transactions, so I'll select a different one. Now, we can see the transactions for the new subsidiary, and the column label has been updated to Item Test. And that's how you create a custom report in NetSuite. Thank you for watching.